Hi guys, this is editorial analysis for 1st January 2017. Today we have 3 articles and all the 3 of them are from the Hindu newspaper. The first one talks about a new development in synthetic biology. It says that biologist J. Craig Venter, he has created a bacterial cell called mycoplasma with a minimum genome built with man-made machines. It contains just 473 genes, and then they have been transplanted into a living cell which has its own genome lost during the process. This experiment has made a first viable self-propagating cell that did not exist in nature before. Now this mycoplasma, it contains some of the smallest and parsimonious genomes in the bacterial kingdom, and therefore they are easier to synthesize. Also, it is devoid of a cell wall, therefore it is easier to manipulate and receive foreign DNA. Creation of self-replicating artificial cells will be revolutionary in the field of agriculture, health and environment. Now some people have criticized this move as only God can create or destroy life, but the author says, he defends it by saying that these scientists, they have not claimed to create new life, and they have just transplanted genes in a cell that was already naturally occurring. So this is one editorial, and it's very important from the point of view of ethics. So questions like these can be there in either the ethics paper or the essay paper. Let's move on to the second editorial. This talks about the development of personal genomics in India. The author says that now it is possible to request online in India a test that can tell you your propensity to diabetes, autism, spondylitis and coronary heart diseases, etc. through gene mapping. Some of the players in the market are Genome Patri, that is marketed by Map My Genome, Strand Life Sciences, etc. Based on one's genetic makeup, the tests can also provide information on global clinical drug trials and advice on the efficacy or toxicity of chemotherapy and or radiotherapy as an additional service to physicians and patients. It will also help in data gathering and help us design better drugs. The only problem that we face in this regard is that the Indian government does not have any major initiative in the field of gene testing. So that's the second editorial. That's also related to genes. The next editorial, it's a very small article. It talks about what a megamaser is. MEGAMASER, megamaser. So it says that megamaser, they are the cousins of lasers. Lasers are devices used to emit a beam of light controlling the emission of photons from excited atoms. Masers do the same, but in a microwave region. So that's all the editorials for 1st January 2007.